Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share. If you remember watching some of my haul videos from the Scrap and Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that was held here in Mesa, Arizona, you'll remember that I hauled this stencil and this die. I actually hauled a few stencils from them, but I did have a chance to play with it. I'm going to show you how the layers work and do it and video while I make another panel, and I will go from there. But I played with it, I cut it out, and this is one of the panels. There's several ways you can do it. You don't have to use the die, you could leave it all solid, but yeah, I'm happy with the way it turned out. Let's see. Here we go. So it's just a matter of inking through the layers, and I'll show you how. And then I assembled and made this card already. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna play some music and I will show you how it goes. Okay, so I'm starting with a 6x6 white cardstock base, and I am just going to put some washi tape on the back to hold it to my base of my desk. Okay, ready for the big reveal. There's actually one more stencil and I haven't used that, but that's to turn the white that you'll see into whatever you want to stencil color it to be. But here we go. Voila! So what do you think? What do you think? How is that impact? Is it not so beautiful? And then the die. The die will cut it out. If you want to cut it out, it'll cut it out, or you could leave it as a panel. Like this. I think I'm going to die cut it out again. So let me die cut it and I will be back. Okay, so here it is, die cut out. I just need to poke all the things out. But as you can see, as I remove the pieces, it's beautiful, beautiful. So what do you think? And do you have any of these ton dies or layering stencils? Actually, it looks like I didn't get that part good. I will fix it later. But yeah, have you ever tried any of these layering stencils? Do you have any of their products? Let me know in the comment section below. If you have suggest anyone for me to get that you've tried from them. I like there's like lots of stuff I wanted from them, but you know how that goes. I need to slowly and patiently purchase them. So there's just little, I should probably use my pokey tool. Don't mind my dog. He wants me to pet him. He's a big crybaby. Yeah, crybaby. Hold on, Akaboy. Yeah. I know. Okay, so I just need to fix this part down here at the bottom. And then, but that is what it looks like. This mat I have from IKEA, that's what I have on my desk. It's hard for me to like gather stuff like this, but using this Dollar Tree applicator, the makeup applicator, it works well. But so there it is, all die cutted, all die cut out. There we go. And so like I said, you can keep it like this and use it like this as a panel, or I cut it out like I cut it out, see? So you just have to trim off some of the edges around there because they become loose, because you know they were attached to the frame. That's how they were held into the picture. But here we go. I think I need better blending brushes. And my girlfriend suggested some from Amazon, so I think I'm gonna get those. They were very reasonable. But the idea too is with the layering, the first layer you put on light and the second layer you put on dark. And so that's up close and personal. But so let me know what you think, Hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing, joining me on this crafty journey. You can hit that bell to be notified when I upload more videos like these. To find other videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!